I'm going to show you how you can give Robux to a friend. Now, the most easy way you can give a Robux to a friend is by buying them a gift card online. So it will be either on any of your favorite e-commerce website. I'm just going to do Amazon here as an example. So I'm just going to search up Amazon here. Now on Amazon, I'm just going to wait for this to load. And then on here, you just want to search up something called, well, Robux here, Robux. And then on Robux, you will get a couple of gift card options. Now you can see, just buy any one of these that you want to give your friends. So for example, you want to give them about 1,000 Robux, just tap on this. Now on here, you will get a digital code. So it won't be an actual Robux gift card. It will be a digital code. So once you get that digital code, just give it to your friend and then they can redeem it and then you'll give them Robux, right? You can also just buy any of these Robux digital card or any Robux actual physical card on your local store if they have any. But of course, the most easiest way is to just buy them online. You can buy up to 500 here. You can see you can buy up to $500 worth of Robux. So it'll be up to 60,000 Robux plus a couple of bonus as well. So once you buy this, you'll get the digital code and then just give that to your friend. And then your friend can redeem it and get the Robux.